Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your Studies Weekly Elementary Social Studies curriculum resource. So the first thing you need to do is double check that you have added in a page from the Canvas Commons that is called the Elementary Curriculum Resources page. To get to the Canvas Commons, you'll need to sign into Canvas with your BCSC Google account, and then the Commons is a button that is on your left-hand menu. And from there, it is going to be one of the first ones that pops up when that screen loads. And it's this page right here. And we have set up all of your links and resources there, as well as given you a homepage template. So you'll set that as the homepage in your course. All right. And once you have set that page as your homepage, you can access all of your curriculum resource links. Now, if you're unsure about how to add this page as your homepage or how to access it in the first place, make sure that you follow the guide and video tutorial that is from this Google Doc that was sent out to you via email, or you can reach out to your elementary curriculum coaches or Brittany Coomer, and I can share this with you again. So once I have this loaded into my course, you do have two options here and how you would like these different icons to look. These are all set up as hyperlinks right now. So if you click any one of them, it will take you to the sign-in screen for that specific resource. So you don't need both of them on here. We just wanted to give you two choices. You could have a little bit of consistency, or if you wanted the icons to be bigger, you have that flexibility. To edit that or remove any of them, just click the edit pencil. Now to access Studies Weekly, I'm just going to click either one of these Studies Weekly icons. It's going to open in a new window. Whenever the new page loads, it's going to take you to a screen here that says Clever. Clever is the resource that we use to auto roster all of our elementary Studies Weekly courses, as well as our Eureka Math courses. It just makes it a little bit easier for you and your students to get in and for those rosters to update nightly. Once I'm here, this is the same screen my students will also see, as well as I will see as a teacher. I'm going to click the Login with Google button. When you click the Login with Google button, it's going to ask you what Google account you want to use. If you're on a Chromebook, there's only going to be one account that you can pick from, if at all. So it should sign you in from there. All right, so once I am signed in to Studies Weekly, this is what my teacher screen will look like. Now, if you're thinking my grade level or my content area doesn't look quite right, just know that this is syncing every single day with PowerSchool, and a lot of our administrative assistants just came back into the office, and some of them are still fixing some changes, and they put some placeholder classes in there before they left for the summer so that a class would be created for you and you wouldn't have no access, but it might not be the right course. So if you see your content here and you can access it, but you don't have the right students yet, just know that those things are being fixed all this week. And by the week of the UDL Institute and all that good stuff, you should be a little bit better shape. So when I'm signed in, this is what the main screen looks like here for teachers. And there's a couple of things that are helpful to point out. This button here takes you through a guided tutorial on how to navigate the interface, and I would do that. It's from the publisher and is really thorough and detailed. But the key thing is that whenever you have a class made, they're going to show up right here. And technically, your students won't be able to access any publications or text or assignments in Studies Weekly until you assign it to your class first. And that's something that you as the teacher manually have to do. I cannot do that for you on the admin side of things. This is something that you have to do as the teacher. So what I need to do is add a publication to my grade level class. And that's really easy to do. So to do that, I need to sign in here. I need to click the Classes button. It's going to show all of my grade level classes there. So I'm just going to go to this class right here, and I click Publications. And it looks like there might be one there already, but in case I go here and there's not, which is what 90% of you will probably see, I'm going to click this little blue Add Publication Access, and it's going to show me all of the grade level content that I need, and I could add that to this class. So this is a second grade class, so I'm going to click it, and whenever I have selected it, I'm going to click Add. So helpful thing to know is that you have to do that step first. I am in a temporary, impersonating a teacher account right now, so that's why it's being a little weird. But you have to add that publication. Otherwise, when a student logs in, they won't see anything. That is the teacher tutorial on this, and you can access all of your other pieces here on the left-hand side of the screen. And if you have any questions, please contact the Elementary Curriculum Office.